Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you a quick pickup that I did from my local Aldi supermarket. I went to go pick up some food. Here I go picking up humidifier. So I got this one at Aldi for $24.99 and $10 cheaper at Walmart. Okay, so this is how the box looks. This. So as you can see, this is the manual of the humidifier, and this is the vaporizing liquid that you will need to put into the machine to get it working. Okay, so this is how the machine looks. Okay, I'm using one hand here. Okay, so this is the full machine right here. This is how the machine looks. Okay, so this is the water container. This is where the water goes. So you will open here, and depending on the level that you want the machine or the water to be. Okay, and this is where the vaporizing liquid goes into this little thing right here. Yeah, it sits right on top of here. Okay, so this comes out like that, and also this one also comes out. So that comes out. Okay, so this goes back in like that, and then this thing sits like, okay, so that sits like that, and the water container sits like that as well. And then the little medicine cup goes right on top of here, and then you pour the medicine right into that little spot right there, and then you plug it. Okay, so it tells you like the level of the indicator light. It says blue light. Blue light is running properly. Orange light unit is out of water, and then red light is overheating. So it tells you a whole bunch how to use this. So yeah, this is my humidifier that I just got that I'll be using tonight. Just wanted to show you guys. So yeah, okay guys, so this is how the humidifier is looking. I already put in my water, and I already placed in my medication right there. So all I have to do now is plug it in and keep it working. So yes guys, so this is a really quick pickup. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching.